Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Look, if you have bad credit and someone told you to go to Navy Federal and join Navy Federal because you keep on hearing people getting 10, 15, $25,000 credit cards and stuff with Navy Federal with a 550, 580 credit score, and you wonder, okay, what's the secret? What's the ingredients that they're using in order to do this? Well, I'm going to show you some of the key ingredients. The first one, we're talking about direct deposits, all right? This is very important because when Navy Federal actually sees that you are committed to them and you're having direct deposits, it helps them secure more of you having a longer term relationship with them. All right. And so here's the thing about it. I tell you guys about the internal score and everything. And one of the key ingredients, especially when you have a 550, 580 credit score, if you're trying to get $25,000, you should set up direct deposits. Now, for those of you that are entrepreneurs or you're doing side gigs and stuff like that, and you don't receive a regular paycheck, then we can set up payroll so that you can start doing direct deposit with Navy Federal, because that's very important. The reason is, especially when you have bad credit and you're trying to get the maximum amount of funding or trying to get a lender to trust you, you should have some type of payroll going on anyway. That being said, like I said, the first one is the direct deposit. And for those of you that work a job, a regular W-2 job, then you can actually have your job split your direct deposit up. So if you want a portion of your direct deposit to go to Navy Federal and the other portion to go to another institution, you can actually have that happen, all right? But this is one of the key ingredients. Of course, we talk about the savings account and the checking account. Those are important, but I'm showing you some of the main ingredients that people, again, with a 550, 580 credit score, this is why Navy Federal is saying, okay, we'll trust you to give you $5, $10, $15, $25,000 credit cards because these things you do have in your file. Now, here's another secret ingredient, again, to show longevity. And this is the Easy Start certificate. I always talk about having a CD, having that long term. And as you can see here, look, you can start with as little as $50. Now, here's the thing about it. They go anywhere from 12 to 24 months. Why is this so important? Well, see this time period here? This is actually showing them that you are committed to them. By you putting money, even as low as $50 into a CD, and they're taking that money and they're reloaning it out. Of course, some people put more, but at the same time, you're showing them that you want to be committed. Now, this is beyond you having a secured credit card as well as a pledge loan, all right? Now, here's the thing about it. Like I said, I've seen people with a 550 credit score, and they had the deposit, they had the money market account, they had the CD, and we're going to talk about that in a minute. I just want to show you. But with this here CD, again, only $50, all right? So you're showing that commitment. This is a very key ingredient. This is one of the things that most people think that, oh, I have to have lots of money. No. This also influences your internal score. Now, let me clarify something to you about your internal score. Your internal score is only there to help you with credit cards, all right? It's not there for the personal loans or lines of credit. It's only there for credit cards. Now, please understand, with Navy Federal, they pull your TransUnion FICO 9, okay, when they're offering you a credit card, all right? Now, for those of you that are entrepreneurs, like I said, if you're thinking about going over to Navy Federal to get a business credit card, of course, they pull your Experian FICO 9. But when it comes to credit cards, they focus on your TransUnion FICO 9. Now, again, the reason why this is so important is because with your FICO 9 scorings, you can always add rental payments. You can add subscriptions. You can add authorized users, and you can add utility. For those of you that need a authorized user, and I'll tell you another thing that's very key. If you have a relationship with Navy Federal right now, and you have a score and you're trying to get higher limit, having a Navy Federal authorized user, and this is what we actually offer to add to your Navy Federal file. This also influences your opportunity to get a unsecured credit card with Navy Federal. All right, but this here is one of your key ingredients as well. So you do an easy start certificate. Like I said, the minimum is $50. And again, those certificate goes anywhere from 12 to 24 months. So of course you're locking your money in a CD, but on the back end, on the back end of that, they're actually going to give you unsecured funding with bad credit because they actually trust you. So this is why you need this here. Now, the next one is a money market savings account. All right. Now they have different levels of the money market savings account, but this is also one of those long-term type of situations. All right, that they offer. So having a money market savings account definitely shows that, hey, I trust you guys, and I want to invest my money with you all. So offering them to put money into a money market account is definitely one of the key ingredients to helping you secure funding, credit card funding with Navy Federal when you have a lower credit score. All right. So as you can see here, take advantage of higher rates in exchange for a minimum balance of $2,500. Do not discount your pledge loans. All right. Now you don't need multiple pledge loans. All you need is one, and then your secured card. Right. But again, like I said, because you have multiple accounts open, this pushes up your internal score, and these three key things will definitely help you get a higher limit unsecured card. All right. Now, for those of you that may have questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation.